there's actually seven species of sea turtles, although some taxonomists argue whether there's 7 or 8. They're found basically worldwide, and there really are some basic mysteries about the life history. Even though they're marine creatures, they're actually reptiles, and they're tied to the land as well. So you have the females that only nest in tropical or subtropical beaches. So they have to, that's part of their ancestry. They've been around for, these lineages go back to, maybe 150, almost 200 million years to ancestries back there. And their ancestors were land turtles. They are highly migratory. Sometimes where they're born is the other side of the ocean from where they migrate to feed and develop, and then their instincts kicked in once they reach maturity, and they're sort of like salmon. They go back to find the beaches they were born at and start the whole process again. One of the mistakes is to try and point fingers, especially with sea turtle decline, and to point fingers at a single cause. Nobody wants to catch turtles, and there's a lot of effort being put in to develop best practices, but also technology. It's not always the silver bullet, but huge advances have been made, for instance, with longline fishing using hooks that catch the target fish, but have a less impact on turtles. And just simple practices, training fishermen on safe handling, resuscitation, and release. So even if there is a take of a turtle, that turtle is alive, taken care of and released, so it has a really good chance of survival. The reality is we live in a world where fishing happens, and the win-win situation is where fishing practices are developed that minimize impact to turtles.